Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious waffle, step by step. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, like flour, eggs, milk, and butter. Also, have your waffle iron, mixing bowls, and whisk at hand. Preheat your waffle iron to its optimal temperature, usually a medium-high setting. A properly preheated iron ensures even cooking and a crispy exterior. Finally, lightly grease the plates with a non-stick spray or a brush of oil to prevent sticking. Now let's prepare the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients such as flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients, eggs, milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to a tough waffle, and we want a tender, fluffy result. It's time to cook. Pour approximately 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the center of your preheated waffle iron. The exact amount depends on your iron size. Close the lid and allow it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until steam stops escaping and the waffle is golden brown and crispy. Use a non-metal utensil, like a silicone spatula, to carefully lift the cooked waffle from the iron. Your delicious homemade waffle is ready. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include maple syrup, fresh berries, whipped cream, or even a dusting of powdered sugar. For any leftovers, allow them to cool completely before storing them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 or 3 days. They can be reheated in a toaster or oven for crispness. Don't forget to check the description for the Echo Dot smart speaker link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.